Hey, what's up, sneaker fam? It's Footprints. And this video will be the first part about restoring the pattern on the bottom of a pair of Air Jordan 8 playoffs. Once again, my name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Now let's begin this tutorial. The first thing I did was find a match of the pattern online. Next, I took measurements of the original pattern on the shoe, which was about 5 3/4 inches. Then I took measurements from the picture online and measured it out to be about 5 1/2 inches, or a tad bit shorter than the original measurement, to make up for the contour on the bottom of the shoe. Next, I got myself some transfer paper and stuck it to the pad, and I traced out the pattern with a Sharpie. I used a felt tip Sharpie to trace out the smaller details in the pattern. After that, we took the transfer paper off and put it on the original shoe and made some adjustments and traced over it again to make sure everything lined up on the original shoe. After that was done, we transferred the clear strip over to a piece of cardboard, making sure that we didn't accidentally touch or wipe off the pattern by using a ruler. Next, I got a wood burner, and then I carved out the pattern around the edges and then on some onto the inside, but mainly focusing around the edges of the pattern itself, of each individual pattern. After that, I got the stencil pattern and I applied it to the sneaker, and then I sprayed a light coat of white just to get the form of the pattern, and I used a hair dryer set on medium heat to set it in. Next, we went and got a hobby knife and we started to carve out any imperfections in the pattern, especially along the edges. I also have a hobby knife here that I made. It has like a curved blade on it, and it made it a little easier for me to scrape off the areas in between the lines of the pattern. After that, I went and got a detail bottle and I filled in all the white areas of the pattern and followed up with the hobby knives while the paint was still wet to really carve and shape out things as sharp as I could. After that, we followed up with the detail bottles for the rest of the colors. Keeping the detail bottles as clean as possible along the way. I also used the bottles to touch the pattern up on the side panels of the sneaker as well. I let the sneakers sit, and on day 2 I came back for the final touch-ups and smoothed out the paint. We began doing the touch-ups by using a nail dotter. I used the bigger nail dotter, or the big end, to fill in the large areas of the pattern, and then I used a small nail dotter to really get into the edges or the tight areas of the pattern. You just drop in some paint and then just move your paint around with the nail dotters. After, we used the same process and just followed up with the hobby knives to sharpen things up. We repeated this process with all the colors. And this project will be continued. Once again, my name is Footprints, and thank you for watching. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, And I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well.
I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.